Hello. Hi, how are you?
So far, so,
Sorry, say again?
so far, so good.
Oh, that's good. That's good to hear. How can I help you today?
You told me you are a tutor.
Yes?
Good, great. Um, could you tell me about how to make sentences in English?
How to make sentences in English?
Yes,
Y- You're talking about the structure?
yes, that's right.
Okay, so sentence structure is noun, verb, object. So
Mm.
noun, let me type it here. Noun, verb, object. So that object. So this is the sentence structure for English. This is
Mm.
also divided into subject and predicate. Predicate. Uh, Not sorry. I might type in predicates. Okay, predicate. Um, Okay, so at its core, every English sentence is first divided into subject and predicate. So the subject is always at the
Uh,
start.
subject, I know subject, but what about the predicate?
Yeah, so I have to explain it in order. Yeah, okay. So you've got your subject and your predicate. Then the predicate would be everything else other than the subject. So the
Oh,
subject is the noun. So the verb and the object are the predicate. That's the second part of the sentence. So
oh,
whatever
yes.
you
I,
so whatever
yes,
you
go
want
ahead.
to so whatever you want to put emphasis on, you always put in front of the sentence, and then the rest is just adding to that. So that's why if we say John kicked the ball, the subject is John. Kicked the ball is the predicate. That's the verb.
Oh, kick
Kicked
the ball.
and
Yes,
ball the object. Yeah.
yeah, that's right. I
So
know
we
this.
are so we are talking about John. But if we reverse that, if we say the ball was kicked by
By John.
John,
Mm.
now the subject is
The,
the
J-
ball.
the subject is the ball, but the predicate is John.
Kicked by John, yes.
Yes, that's in passive voice
Uh,
or
yes,
passive voice. Or that's the ball was kicked by John.
the ball was kicked by John. I'm not too sure. Let me check for you,
Mm.
because I'm not very clued up on active and passive voice. Uh, so, what voice is this? Okay, let me check here. Okay, is passive voice? Yes,
Yes,
the
passive
ball was
voice.
kicked by. Yeah,
I know some information about passive voice. Yes,
yeah.
and what about the past simple? How
Hmm.
to use it? Yes.
The past simple. So
Mm.
the past simple we just use to communicate things that happened in the past. So um, the John kicked the ball. That would be past simple, because yeah, it happened. We're not interested
We
in the time frame. Hmm?
why we add this to the verb ed? We can't say John kicks the ball for
Yeah,
this to
because
be present simple, not past simple. This
yeah, present. If you want it to be present, then John kicks the ball or is kicking the
ah
ball. Um,
kicking the ball. Yes,
yeah. So to make it active,
sorry.
you'd say John. Bless you. To make it
Thanks.
active, you would say John is kicking the ball.
Mm,
Then that would mean it's happening right away. But yeah, for simple past, just he kicked the ball. Um,
mm.
yeah,
We use the present simple to talk about something happened in in the past,
present
and
simple for
we
something that. Again?
Sorry, past simple. Past simple. We use
Mhm.
past simple for something happened in the past.
Yeah. So something that happened in the past and it's finished.
Uh,
So it's not still
and
happening. It's
we
not going to happen
also
again.
we don't use auxiliary verb in past simple.
Um, I honestly don't know. Let me check for you. Uh, is Can one use auxiliary auxiliary verb in past simple? Okay, let's see here.
I think we can
Yes, you
use
can. Yes.
because we use the was for the
Mm.
singular and were for how do you spell this? I sometimes do forget how to spell these words.
Were, yeah,
Were for the plural.
yeah.
Mm. Uh, what difference between the did and was?
Difference between did and
Mm.
was.
Mm.
He did it. So did is the past tense of do.
Oh,
What was is the past tense of is. So
oh.
he is sick. He was sick. He did do it. He does it, or is doing
Mm.
it.
Mm. Let me ask you about the present continuous. I think when we add ing for some words in English, especially in the present continuous, that's mean to if the verb ending with one consonant and before the one vowels, you should uh, write double letters consonant and add ing. For example, swim, make add the another letters consonants swimming. Okay, but right we can only delete the letter e and add ing. For example, also there's another example: play, playing, but why before there's a vowel consonant, a vowel letters, and we cannot make double y. Why? A double
Oh yeah,
y.
because the
Mm.
y, the ay makes the a sound,
Mm.
which acts as a vowel. So it's a vowel sound, even though it's not a vowel letter. So you can't have the double vowel.
Ah.
So even though y is a consonant, it makes in play, it makes a vowel sound.
We also same thing in writing.
Hmm. Yeah, writing. So again, there
Mm.
right ends with a vowel, even though the e is silent.
Mm.
So again, they don't want the repetition.
Mm. Past continuous. That's mean to use was and were with and verb add the ing to the verb.
Hmm. So past
We
continuous
use it
means
past continuous. Something happened in the past,
hmm,
and the result and still a result happening right now.
yes, yeah. So
Mm.
John is eating, for example,
Mm.
or John started eating 5 minutes ago.
Mm.
So yeah, that's how you would use that.
Mm. When we use what difference between the adjective ending in ing and ad?
Adjective ending in ing and ed.
Yes.
Uh, I don't know what the difference is. Let me check for you.
Mm.
Is the difference between adjective ending in ed and ing? Okay. So here it says that the difference between the ed and ing lies in what they describe. So adjectives ending in ed, these typically describe how a person feels or their emotional response. I was bored, she was excited. Okay, I will share this with you in the chat box over here. Okay. And then number two, adjectives ending in ing. These describe the characteristic or quality of
Mm.
something that causes the feeling. The movie was boring. The news was
That's mean
exciting.
we use adjectives that's ending with ed for the person or
Hmm.
people, and the adjective with the ing for the something to describe something.
Yeah.
Mm. Okay. What about the countable and uncountable nouns? How can I use countable and uncountable
Hmm.
nouns?
So, what do you mean by how can you use them? Uh,
I want to have some rules for this subject. How can I use? How do I know this countable or uncountable?
So generally speaking, if you can count it, it is countable. Uncountable, you cannot. So sand is uncountable because you cannot count sand. Stars would be uncountable. You cannot count stars.
Hmm.
So there is too much sand. There, yeah, you would say much because it is uncountable. But there are too many toys on the floor. Toys would be countable. You can count. There are one, two, three, four, five toys. So yeah, it's not about a general rule or anything. It's just whether these things can be counted or cannot be counted.
But something uncountable or uncountable, it's very strange. For example, we can count the star, but I can count the star, one star, two stars.
Mm. Yeah. Um, I think it because again, like even with sand, you can technically count sand because technically you can count anything. Because even if you had to
Hmm.
take sand, you can count 1 grain of sand, 2 grains of sand, 3 grains of sand. However, I think it has to do with the ease of which, uh, how easily can it be counted. So, yes, you can count sand, you can count stars, you could even count water, you can count drops of water. However, it's not common to do this. It's a more laborious task. So therefore, they term it as uncountable, but it's not literally uncountable. It's just for classification purposes.
That's too difficult. It's to understand the countable and count uncountable.
Yeah, it's
Hmm.
just something. It's something you learn naturally. Uh, it's too hard to apply a rule to it. You just have to learn what things are countable, what things are not countable.
Hmm. What about the phrasal verbs? It's divided for the beginner, elementary, up intermediate, or advanced.
I don't understand. What's the question?
Do you know phrasal verbs?
Yes.
It's divided for the beginners and